Welcome to Stock Talk. This is your host, Scott. Hope you had a good couple of days in the market. The market was actually down a little bit today, a couple hundred points on the Dow. We did have a pretty good day as far as our portfolio goes. NVAX had a pretty good day as well. Very active the last couple of days, NVAX. We had the president going to North Carolina to one of the facilities where they're going to produce the NVAX vaccine in North Carolina. That was had us pretty much in the news towards the end of the day yesterday. So we got a pretty good little pop yesterday towards the end of the day. And then that carried on into today, and we just pretty much ran up all day long. So we had a good day with NVAX today. After hours still going a little bit. But looks like NVAX heading back up now. We did have a little dip yesterday, so we were active with it yesterday and today, so we'll talk about that, as well as some others that we've actually were able to unload as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at our portfolio, see what's going on with that. All right, so here's our portfolio. As you can see here, we've got LUV was up today 2.5%. NVAX we talked about a little bit already. We'll talk about it some more. It was up 6.5% about. It actually got up to 151. Had a really good day, strong day throughout the whole day. DAL, another airline, Delta Airlines up 1.73%. Casino was up today as well. MGM at 3%. We have GBTC. As you can see here, GBTC, it was up 3%, but I actually sold that one yesterday. Had a really good pop yesterday. We sold GBTC yesterday at 11.84. That was a 14% gain. We've had the first lot we bought about a month and a half ago. We cost averaged that one 3 times. So it's a pretty good stake in that one at 14%. We like to see that. Also, NVAX yesterday, we actually bought NVAX on a dip yesterday at 136, okay? All right, so 136 we bought NVAX yesterday as well. XOM, ExxonMobil, it was down a little bit today. U.S. Steel was the big loser today, got hit pretty hard at almost 7%. Now, they do have some earnings coming up pretty soon, so some folks may be anticipating the bad earnings or something, so it did sell off. We may be looking at Cliff just to see if we can jump in Cliff if it's getting beat up as bad as well. So we'll keep our eyes on that. ACB did have a good day. It's almost 10% up today, so we need that. We're looking for that one to come back at some point, but right now we're a little bit of ways on that one yet still. Okay, so that's kind of what our portfolio looked like today. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on in the market. You can see here we are green across the board on the futures right now. That's all subject to change. Pretty flat, really. Nothing major going on there. They do say something here about the big tech testimony tomorrow, Fed decision tomorrow, so we'll be looking for that kind of news tomorrow as well. Asia, we got Nikki's open now. Other two look like they're still closed. Nikki's down almost 1%, 0.75%. So nothing major going on there as well. Looks like this is today's market. You see we were red across the board, down 205 on the Dow. We had a pretty good day for our portfolio considering it was a red day on the market. That's always a plus if you can never pull one of those off. Oil still green, it looks like, green across the board. 41.25 on the oil price, so that's good. It's actually down. Looks like it was down today, but right now it looks like it's climbing back up a little bit. All right, so that's kind of where we're at. We're going to be watching tomorrow. We'll be looking at the NVAX. Like I said, I did sell some of that today at 145. I sold a little bit of the shares we had. We were up 41% on those shares. So I went ahead and sold those at 145 today. A little early. Wished I'd waited a little bit longer, but did try to sell some more when it got up to 151, but I was a little too slow on the draw there. So we'll be looking for that number tomorrow, 151. But we're going to watch it pretty close because I did sell a little bit too early. I've been trying to wait to the end of the day to do things, and probably would have been a good move if I just held off a little bit longer on that, at least the last hour or so. But can't argue with 41% though, and especially that was 2 week period. So I'll take 41% in 2 weeks on any stock. So they're doing pretty good as far as our cash goes right now. We're sitting at 32% cash. So we're ready to buy something if we need to, but it wouldn't hurt us to start getting a really good size cash position before November. But I really think this market's still, as long as its feds are feeding it, it's going to still tick up slightly as we go, I think. So going to stay pretty busy till towards the end of the year, and then we might start trying to get on the sideline a little bit. But tomorrow, going to keep my eyes on NVAX. If I get anything else that we can sell, we'll sell it. But I think we're a little ways out on some of this other stuff, so we'll just wait. But NVAX is going to be the one. We're sitting on some that we're up 30% on already. So we'll definitely sell those tomorrow. If they get up 40-45%, we'll sell some more just to unload a little bit before any news comes out, which I still think is going to be good. So not worried about that. Just like to get some of that cash on the sideline just to play it safe. We're way above our discipline of 6%. So we're going to go ahead and cash some in if we can. All right. Well, I hope you have a great day tomorrow. We'll get back on here later in the week. Probably going to be sometimes, I'd say probably Thursday night maybe, or maybe Friday during the day while the market's still open. Okay? All right. Well, you have a great rest of your day, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking this button right here. Thanks. Bye.